So, for this episode 4, we're gonna chug some soju.
So, yeah, it's supposed to be 4 shots. This is stupid ass spirit crusher moment.
Oh yeah, spirit crusher. We always forget to say that.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks, Kevin.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers, here we go.
Oh god. Oh! Oh my god, I was not ready for that.
It's got a very different feel when you drink it that way.
Yeah. I'm traumatized right now. Showing how to make that. Okay. Okay, that's bad. Let's do it again. Into there. Later, don't drop the egg. 100%. Hi guys, and welcome to our 4th episode. This one is called Sea of Tartilage, and we're going to be showing you how to make a favorite Canadian dessert, especially in the holidays, and that is butter tarts. Look at these mother... Alright, so what you'll need this week is you're going to need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of softened butter, you're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla extract, an egg that you're going to whisk in there later. I have about a 1/2 cup of raisins that I've soaked in warm water for half an hour to blow them up. Some people say they use corn syrup in butter tarts. That's totally acceptable. However, it is a Canadian recipe, so I feel like maple syrup is more appropriate. Also, it's delicious. You're going to need pastry cut into about 4 to 5 inch rounds to put into your tart tray or muffin tin. You can use the pastry recipe that we did in our last episode, Bind, Tortilla, Kill. Or you can just buy some rolled out puff pastry, some tender flake. Either works absolutely fine. You're gonna need a whisk, and then you're gonna need a muffin tin, or you can buy those little metal tart shells at the grocery store. All right, let's go. So I'm creaming the butter and the sugar together with the vanilla extract, and that just means you kind of want to get it a little bit airy. Doesn't matter as much for this recipe, but usually if you're making cookies or something, you would do this in a food processor, and it aerates the whole mixture. But then add your egg, and your 1/2 cup of maple syrup, or corn syrup, but maple cult forever. Make sure it's all evenly mixed together. Alright, once you have a smooth mixture, you're going to put your pastry into the muffin tin. So one trick I like to use is once you have an empty butter foil, you can take it and instead of throwing it away, you can use it to grease your muffin tins. That way you don't waste any of that butter. You do this in professional kitchens as well. You just save them and use them up. It's just way easier than taking a chunk of butter and smearing it around. And you're going to take your pastry rounds that you've either cut from a larger sheet, or if you have pre-made tart shells, you don't have to bother with this stuff. So I'm just going to sink it down to the bottom and just repeat with all 6. So once you've gotten your pastry shells in the muffin tin, you just divide the soaked raisins up between all of them. You're going to divide this evenly as well. Alright, and you're going to put them into a 400-degree oven. If you like them runny, which some people do, I would probably do about 15 to 20 minutes, and then if you like them firm, up to 40. But just keep an eye on them. Alright, so these are done now. You let them cool for 10 minutes inside the pan, then you can lift them out and put them on a plate. I like eating them warm, but they're good cold and room temperature. These are still pretty hot, so we're gonna go for it.
And they smell.
Oh my god. It's like a day's worth of calories in one tart. So.
But I'm probably gonna eat 3 of them.
Oh my god. Fatten me up. Throw me in an oven.
This is just gonna be a super cut of like
Sex noises?
coming while
Oh. Ooh, maybe.
Just go,
Oh, it's so good.
Yes, I did.
yeah.
Yes. Oh my god.
This is up level good.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I could totally eat another one, but I'm not gonna.
Alright. Thanks for watching!
Thanks, guys.
Goodbye!
Eat lots of food.